So, you two were a thing, right?
What? No, just friends.
Come on, I've seen the way you two are together.
No, seriously, friends.
He's kinda cute.
I guess.